Fitbod workout app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to strength training, one app has been quietly revolutionizing how people work out. Fitbod. But is this smart workout planner really worth the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Fitbod's biggest strength lies in its personalization. It doesn't just throw random workouts at you, it uses an algorithm that adapts to your fitness level, recovery state, and available equipment. The app tracks your performance over time, adjusting weights, sets, and reps automatically to maximize progress. You can choose between gym-based or home workouts, making it incredibly flexible. It also integrates smoothly with Apple Health and Strava, giving you a complete view of your activity and recovery. Most people get this wrong. They think Fitbod is only for advanced lifters. But beginners benefit the most because it takes away the guesswork. It teaches proper progression and helps build consistency, one workout at a time. The visuals and instructions make it easy to follow, even if you're just starting your fitness journey. Now, the cons. The surprising truth is that Fitbod can feel overly data-driven for users who prefer a more hands-on coaching experience. While the app's algorithm is smart, it can't replace human feedback on form or motivation. The free version is also limited after a few workouts. You'll need a subscription to continue. And while its exercise database is extensive, it's not ideal for people focused on cardio or sport-specific training. In conclusion, the Fitbod workout app is a powerful digital coach that simplifies strength training. It's best for users who want structure, progress tracking, and intelligent workout planning. If you're motivated and like using data to improve, Fitbod can take your workouts to the next level. But if you crave personal coaching or live feedback, you might need to combine it with other fitness tools. Either way, Fitbod proves that smart technology can make smarter athletes.